Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's-eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. Easily get professional images Share your videos and pictures with one. Get yours today with the HS720.
Hey everyone, this is Mike from Altair here with the AA300 GPS drone from Altair. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it and show it to you flying. So the AA300 has GPS connectivity. So right now we're connected to the GPS satellites through the remote control and through the drone, and it's hovering in place there without me even having my hands on the controller. You can even pull it a little bit out of place and it's going to go right back to where it started. So that makes it really easy to pilot, really fun and safe, so you're not going to lose it, you're not going to crash, because the GPS, if you just let off the controls, it's going to hold it in place. It has about 150 meters of range, comes with one battery, which has 15 minutes of flight time. Like I said, it's really easy to pilot with one button takeoff and landing. Return home features, the return home safety feature as well, so if your drone starts to lose control, lose connectivity between the controller and the drone, it'll just return home automatically. Also, if your battery in your drone starts to die and gets too low, it'll return home as well. So let's take a look at it in flight and show you the return home functions. So we're out here on a baseball field and we're way in right field. We're going to take it all the way into home plate, and then we'll show you the return home feature. Alright, looks like we are roughly over home plate. When I push the return home button, it's going to go straight up in the air to avoid any obstacles on the way back. And then it's going to come back to where we're standing, or to wherever the GPS was set. So if you set the GPS and then you walk a little distance off, the drone's going to come back to where you originally turned it on and connected it to the GPS. Then after 10 or 15 seconds, it's going to land itself and come down. So just be patient and it'll come down. And this is the Altair AA300 GPS drone. everybody, it's Mike from Altair. We're flying the 818 Hornet here in the office, just showing you the free flight skill modes and how much of a difference it makes. We're currently on the 3rd and advanced skill level, and you're going to watch it just really takes off and it responds quickly to what I'm doing. Like that. If we put it down on the right button on your index finger here and you hear it beep one time and get it into the beginner skill mode, it responds much more slowly, and this is going to be the mode you're going to want to start in when you fly. So make sure you start out in beginner skill mode. Alright, thank you.